Years old. I am a mother and I am a junior doctor, so we're not just out of medical school. I started my career over 10 years ago in Ealing Hospital, and I think it's right that we fight to keep it open, so thank you for coming along today. So whilst I'd love to tell you that it's about my pay, and I will get a pay cut, it's not. It's about patient safety. If you make me work long hours, I will make mistakes, and when I make mistakes, patients die. That's what this is about. It's not about my paycheck. But it's not just about junior doctors. We're the first because we're an easy target, because everybody thinks we're rich when we're not. Once we get a pay cut, the nurses get a pay cut, the porters get a pay cut, the healthcare assistants get a pay cut, and once we've demoralised the NHS, it'll be the teachers and the schools and every public sector worker out there and every public service. So this is just the beginning. But it isn't about me, this is about you, this is about your campaign, about your local hospital, which you need. Ealing Hospital holds a really small,
very broad, it's gone. It holds a really big place.
Ollie.
It holds a really big place.
You'll get it back for you. You're doing very well. He'll get it back for you.
I will, don't worry.
He will.
Right. There you go.
There we go. I'll do it.
Ealing Hospital, there's a really big place in my heart for this hospital, because it's where you trained me to be the doctor I am today. I live in Hanwell, I'm round the corner, it's where I go when my husband's unwell, when my 18-month-old daughter's unwell, and when I'm unwell, and it's where you go. It's your local hospital, it needs to stay open, and you need to keep this campaign going. So support me when I strike, and I will with a very heavy heart. You will be safe, the consultants will cover us, they said they will. But you support me, and I will support you. And let's save Ealing.